Damn, what we installing today?
Look at all those ponies.
Header.
All those ponies and unicorns.
Replace that old shit. Is it that? No?
Yeah.
Damn, gotta replace that old shit right there.
You don't need a test pipe? Or you just hook it up to the cat?
Woo! We're installing that header today.
I wanted to buy
We'll be installing that, and then I'll go ahead and update you guys on it.
Okay. Oh, what the fuck? That shit's loose?
Oh, what the fuck? Finally coming off. That's the header right there. Replace it with that clean and shiny one.
I think you should take off the...
True horsepower right here. That thing's smoking though.
Yeah, because I loosened the top ones.
Oh, man, that should sound like a fucking muscle car. Yeah, it has.
Nah, but I think this shit was already fucked though. Because that shit's cracked. And I think that's why it was throwing off the code for the cat.
Well, you don't even have to worry about that today. After today, there's no worrying about that shit.
I'm gonna go get the tool.
I'm gonna go get that installed. There are more tools, but apparently he got it unlocked. Or he loosened the bolts. So now he's just gonna go get what? An O2 what? O2 sensor, something to pull it out in order to fit it into this little thing right here. We're gonna fit in there. We're gonna go ahead and do that, and then as soon as we're done with that, pretty much gonna have a new headers for him.
Oh yeah, sure.
Finally popped this shit out. It was a struggle. Hard work and dedication.
Use that gasket?
That's straight up open.
I think so.
And got it out. We had to
Just pry this out.
pop this. We had to pop this little section right here. Why is it focusing on that? Had to pop this out and get it out of the way. Or else we wouldn't have had it gone in there, but we got it out. So now we're gonna install that one. But first we gotta remove that sensor thing, which we will get out soon.
You want the bigger bar?
But other than that, we should be set. We should be installing it soon.
Oh no.
So
this one's a regular.
hopefully it comes through.
Yeah. That one's
Finally popped it out of that thing.
Yeah, dude.
Out of that hole. So
That's not even running, huh?
should install this one onto that one. Now we're gonna install it onto this one.
Watch you guys take it
So we went to O'Reilly's to go pick up a gasket because the one that it had on, this one right here didn't fit. So we want to go ahead and get this one, and then we just put it in there. Now we're gonna pop it inside. We fucked up. We straight up fucked this up. Well, not really. I didn't. No, we got the headers in, but in order to put them in, we had to remove, what's it called? We had to unscrew this in order to like push it out of the way so that it can go in. As you can see, it makes that space. But now the problem is we can't push that thing in. Like no matter what we do, no matter what, it doesn't let us put it in. So now we're struggling with that. All the thing does is the clutch bleeds, and Adrian is calling somebody to come in and help us out with this. We'll see if we get it done. If not, but I mean, either way, the car's still gonna stay here because apparently, that bottom piece, the pipe, the header, that top piece is too long in order to fit into there. So they need to cut the tip of it in order to fit there. So we can get this fixed, but we can't take it anywhere now because we gotta fix this first, or else the car won't turn on when I try to take it like that. But if we get that fixed, hopefully, I don't know, but we wanted to turn it on to hear it, but we forgot that that shit was disconnected. So we'll see what happens. All right, so we just had Adrian's friend come through and help us out with the thing. So apparently we broke it or whatever, it just doesn't work. So they're gonna go get a new slave cylinder and then hopefully install it, and hopefully it runs well. We gotta bleed it out as well, do all of that, and then once that's set, hopefully everything goes good. But we're still gonna leave the car here because we can't move it because of the pipe. And then other than that, hopefully everything goes well. But I'll update you guys and shit because it's been a pain in the ass. How long have we been here for? Since like 12? I don't even remember, but we've been here for a while. We're hungry. Gotta go get some freaking buffalo fries. Shit, I'm starving. And it's Mother's Day. Planning to go with my mom somewhere, but fuck it. I'll just take her out some other day. It's not like it's over, but we're gonna fix this shit, make it bleed, and then just replace it. But hopefully everything goes well. If working on fucking cars is a pain in the ass. It's like you do one thing and everything goes well, then another thing pops up that's wrong, and then you just got to do that and do it over and over again. And then, but I mean, it's a process of learning. It's like simple stuff, but luckily we have people that we can have around in order to help us. So hopefully we get it done today. But it's been a pain in the ass. So I might take a break from cars. I might just go to shooting back again, and then we'll see. But it's working. We'll get it there.
And you just woke up your dad, your neighbors.
Fuck, this is loud.
I felt my whole soul fucking escape my body right now.
I don't even gotta sleep anymore.
He said I'm not even tired anymore, bro. It's better than
Finally fucking got him, man.
That's just loud as fuck though. But for now.
Yeah, it's 4-1, dog.
Yeah.
That's where it's at.
Damn.
So we finally got this shit fixed. Homie came through. His homie came through and fixed it for us. The only thing that we need to fix now is
What's mine?
the pipe down there. You can see it's hanging off. We're gonna fix that. I'm gonna go tomorrow to the shop, have that welded for him and then installed, and then we'll be set. But we're done for today. Nothing coming through this back. Ain't nothing coming through there just because it's not connected yet, but once we get this connected, it'll start from here. Probably after this, I'll take a break from cars. I don't want to deal with this stuff anymore. Not for a while. I want to focus on some photography stuff. Get it out there more, but we'll see. I'll probably just come back to this because I love it and gotta save up for some more parts. Just gotta do that pull. That's just fucking loud. That's just loud as fuck. Alrighty, so today's the next day. It's Monday. We're gonna go pick up the car and we're gonna go ahead and weld the things together. We're on our way right now, actually. I just got ready, so I'll go ahead and be getting that, and then we'll be going over to the place and having it welded and then put together. That way the whole car runs well, because right now it's like dragging on the floor and it's not good at all. But let's see how it goes. So right now we're just wiring the damn thing in order for it to not fall. So I'm gonna do that, and then oh my ass, and then we'll see if we roll it out or not. But I'm gonna try to make a lot of noise, but we'll see. We might just have to. There she goes. That thing's loud as hell. So I'm gonna meet him over there. So we're finally at the shop. We just got here. He's gonna have it welded. It's gonna take about an hour, but once that's set, should be good to go. Homie's gonna be happy now.
Oh yeah.
Gotta go faster. So that's it. Finally did it. Something that there's always something. You work on a car and then you find out more problems, or you create a problem and you gotta fix it and just do a whole bunch of mess. But it's that car life, you know? It's that car struggle, so we'll figure it out. We'll have this thing running soon. Finally got that shit installed. It's ready to go, as you can see. So we're good to go on that. It's pretty much set, so we're done for that car for now. There'll be more projects to come for sure. Just gonna take a break from this for a little while. It's been a fucking pain in the ass, but we'll figure it out.